In today's digital age, e-commerce has become a lucrative avenue for entrepreneurs and aspiring business owners. With the right tools and strategies, you can turn your dreams of financial independence into reality. One such tool that has gained immense popularity in recent years is Shopify. In this video, we will explore how you can make money with Shopify, harnessing the power of online retail to build a profitable business from scratch. Setting the stage, what is Shopify? Before we delve into the strategies for making money with Shopify, it's crucial to understand what Shopify is. Simply put, Shopify is a user-friendly e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create their online stores. It provides a wide range of customizable templates, payment processing, inventory management, and marketing tools, all essential components for running a successful online business. Choose your niche wisely. The key to success with Shopify is finding the right niche. A niche is a specific market or audience that you will target with your products. Your niche should align with your interests and expertise, ensuring that you can effectively cater to your customers' needs. Conduct thorough market research to identify trends, gaps, and potential competitors within your chosen niche. Build a stunning online store. Your Shopify store's design and user experience are crucial for attracting and retaining customers. Shopify offers a variety of customizable themes that you can use to create an appealing storefront. Ensure that your website is mobile responsive, easy to navigate, and optimized for quick loading times. A visually appealing and user-friendly store can significantly boost your sales. Source or create high-quality products. To sell products through your Shopify store, you'll need to source them from suppliers or create them yourself. Focus on offering high-quality products that provide value to your target audience. Whether it's physical products, digital downloads, or drop shipping, product quality and customer satisfaction should always be your top priorities. Effective marketing strategies. Marketing plays a crucial role in driving traffic to your Shopify store. Here are some effective strategies. A. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your product descriptions and website content to rank higher on search engine results pages. B. Social media marketing. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to promote your products and engage with your audience. C. Email marketing. Build an email list and send targeted newsletters and promotions to your subscribers. D. Paid advertising. Consider running paid ads on platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to reach a wider audience. Customer service excellence. Exceptional customer service can set you apart from competitors. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, address issues with care, and provide a seamless shopping experience. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth recommendations can significantly boost your sales. Analyze and adapt. Regularly monitor your Shopify store's performance using analytics tools. Analyze data on visitor behavior, sales, and marketing campaigns to identify areas for improvement. Adapt your strategies based on these insights to continuously grow your business. Scaling your business. Once your Shopify store starts generating consistent revenue, explore opportunities for growth. Consider expanding your product offerings, exploring new marketing channels, or even opening additional online stores.